Hi guys, and welcome back. So for this video, we'll just do a intermediate type lesson on trading cryptocurrencies with our cryptocurrency trading system. So I do encourage you guys to check out my weekly blog. Everything's updated free of charge, and it'll keep you up to date on the latest trends in the crypto markets. So I do encourage everyone out there to go ahead and get a free TradingView account. This will allow you to have the indicators that you'll need in order to set up your charts and to map things effectively. So just going back to Bitcoin here. We'll set up everything from scratch just to give you guys a feel. So we'll delete these indicators and we'll just re-add them, and I'll show you how here. So you go to insert indicator. First one I like is the TTM squeeze. Just choose the top one here and we'll add that to your chart. And the next one we'll add is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. And so these will give us the basics we'll need in order to get a good insight into the markets here. So essentially what we're looking for is some type of ABC pattern charted out on the RSI. So we'll see it declined here, and then it'll start to spike up a bit here. So we'll just create a trend line on the 4-hour chart just to give us some basic insight onto where we might want to set up a rising price entry. And we can see here it's starting to flash red for Bitcoin. So it's in a squeeze. So the TTM squeeze is basically when the Bollinger Bands enter inside a Keltner channel. It creates a very high pressure situation, and that pressure gets dispensated into either direction. Either it's going to go up or down. So we can see how past squeezes played out. Basically it becomes very pressurized and you see a nice pop up here. This could have been a larger run, but we're seeing it in the greater aspect of an ABC correction here, and we'll formulate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves up as we did in Ether here. We're seeing this is not typically how a 5-wave move will go. You shouldn't see an overlap in the 4th wave and the 2nd wave, but this looks like to be an extension run in Ether. So that's why you see a lot of overlap there, if that count is correct. And when we go back to Bitcoin here, so essentially you're looking for this histogram to turn over on a 4-hour chart, and for price movement to break out of this sort of downward trend line and rise above the trend line here as well. And we'll see what the results were in Ether when we had this set up here. So in Ether, we can see if we're going from that or either this trend line as well here. We'll see a nice pop above these trend lines here, and you see the histogram already turn over here, so indicating another great spot. So somewhere along this trend line, or if you want to take a more conservative approach, say when the price got above these two candles here and in this range, would have been a great buy entry here, and take a slight piece of the pie off of here. We don't know if this will finish it, the 5th wave up here. Could be another extension higher, but we might see some decline here. So in this area generally would have been a great position to take some profits here. If we scroll back here, you can see that the previous extension was about this range. So as soon as they hit that price range, it pulled back a bit. So you're seeing a lot of smart investors here take their their profits as soon as it hit that resistance up above. And again, you guys please check out my blog listed in the description below. Everything's free, but if you do feel like you'd like to contribute to this work, please donate. And thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. God bless.